Hello, everybody. I want to talk about why people make something and how to get somebody to buy something. It's probably one of the best questions that you can ever ask. The buying decisions, the buying patterns of people. What can we do to get people to buy something that you make? Well, there's a couple things that you can do. In fact, there's three. First and foremost, you have to make something cheaper. So you go out and you find what is working in the world, exists already, and you try to make it cheaper. Many in the Far East do that with American products. American products may be better, but they figure out a way to make them cheaper. Second area is to make something better. So you see something that exists, but you figure out a way to make it better. Whether it has more bells and whistles, or it has a component or an attribute that the current product doesn't have. Making something better. The last is to make something new. That's the most expensive and hardest thing to do. To make something different. Make something that doesn't exist. So you have to know your customers, you have to know your market, you have to know the industry, and you have to know the future. Those four aspects are what create the products of the future. Products don't exist because it's so difficult to create them. So if you want to create something that doesn't exist, you have to figure out why it doesn't exist. And what is it about that product that hasn't been created at this point? Very difficult things to do, time-consuming, and expensive. The far easier approach is what we often call the Walmart effect, where you take something that's been made and you make it cheaper or make it better. Making something new is where the big money is today, though. If you can create something that doesn't exist, you can create a market that before then didn't exist, and a market that will pay you handsomely to profit from that. Few people are good at doing that. Few people have the time and patience, or simply the money to do so. But when you look at the great fortunes that are being made, it's usually those people who've done something different, innovative, unique, something that doesn't exist. And we pay for that. We pay for something that's new or novel. We want to be the bearer of something that other people don't have. It's a great way to make a future. So there you have it. That's how to create a future, how to create a market for yourself in the future, and to profit from what you created. Thanks, everybody.